Do you enjoy writing? Yes, I enjoy writing. I like to write short stories and keep a diary about my daily life. I usually write a few times a week after school. Writing helps me express my feelings and improve my English. Sometimes it's not easy, but I feel happy when I finish a good story.
Do you enjoy writing?
Yes, I do.
What do you like to write?
I like to write short stories and a diary.
How often do you write?
A few times a week.
When do you usually write?
After school.
Why do you like writing?
Because it helps me express my feelings.
How does writing help you?
It helps me improve my English.
Is writing always easy for you?
No, sometimes it's not easy.
How do you feel when you finish writing?
I feel happy.